Good evening guys, Merry Christmas, here to look at this one which is MANA or Decentraland. Now on the one day for this, looking really good, up by 5% exactly at the time of filming. I want to talk about this, so I want to talk about where we could be going next. If it sounds good, of course, smash the like button and subscribe. But remember, as usual, this is not financial advice, it is only my opinion. But yes, if you enjoy it here, I will make another video on this one tomorrow, but enough of you guys do need to tell me that you enjoy it for me to do that. So of course, keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep sharing. Now, we're going to get into this one, and I want to start off actually over here on the very simple chart, just to grasp what we are seeing both on the 1 day and on the wider scale. So the 1 day is green, which is perfect. You will see we are actually pushing up from the morning session, so really we're touching that level around 360. We have been stable in that point for some time before breaking out to a high, banging on 385 and then coming back down, and right now we do appear to be quite stable, which is really good. Now the 7 day you will see is a mixed story, red for the majority of it, but then we had that massive spike up and we have been in this territory ever since, come out to the past month as well, and you will see we're seeing that big slope down. We have found the bottom of that so far, which appears to be at $3 exactly almost, perhaps even a little bit lower than that, and yeah, we're coming to that point, touching it, coming back off it, and now coming back up. In the past 3 months, you will see this isn't really too big of a push in context to what we have seen, but it is definitely possible that the sell-off that we would have expected is over. And I say that we would have expected it because we've seen that massive spike. At some point, people are going to want to take profits over time, and I think that has resulted in the sell-off that we are seeing. So now we appear to be coming back from that, and the question is, where do we go from now, and can we get past our previous high? Well, I want to highlight some key levels, especially on the 1 day for us over here, just to notice what we are seeing, throughout the day. And when we come on to see that, you will see the bottoms that I think that we are touching very clearly. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit and highlight these levels, and really you'll see this trend. So what we're seeing for a bottom, absolute bottom, I would say, has been around this point here. That's been about 365 or somewhere in that range, but more recently we have been able to find a support level at this point here at 376. Now this was our one break below that support level, but prior to that we did actually have a few bounces off that in the past. Now we had a bounce off it here, we had a bounce off it here as well, so can that hold up again? It is absolutely possible. Slightly higher than that, I would be looking for a support level around here at 371.8. Now the reason for that is because this has worked as a resistance level for us in the past. It's worked as a resistance level here, so obviously from that point it was a level that we had difficulty breaking above. Now a bit closer in, we have had a support level there as well, which is good. You'll see a support around here, and you'll see that same support come back in over here. So can we find that again for a bottom? Hopefully we can. I wouldn't really like to drop much lower than that today, so hopefully we can find a bottom at that point or somewhere around it. Now in the past 5 days, as I have said, we are still looking very good. So as far as the lows in that time period come, I wouldn't really want to dip any lower as an absolute bottom of about 361. That would be perfect. I think where we are right now, we're still in a great place to hopefully remain in these levels, or at least near these levels. Now, as far as a breakout would be concerned, and that is where we are coming closer to, in my opinion, it's going to be around 377, I would say, to be safe. We're consolidating nicely in 376 or somewhere around there, but really we want to see a push up now to 377, and potentially on beyond that to the highs of the day. Now if you have a look at what we've seen for today so far, as far as our highs are concerned, we are not looking too bad at all. We're slightly above this point over here at 378. So yes, it's not too far away. Can we push above it? It is absolutely possible, and I would love to see that be the case. So really, I'm feeling quite optimistic about this one. Again, if we can find that bottom, that would be okay, but really I'd be looking for more of the push up. Today has been quite good for this one overall, being up about 5% on Christmas Day, which is perfect. But now that we're finding that consolidation, the question is, will we drop lower or higher? Now I think it is, as I said, absolutely possible that we could push higher, and that would be ideal. Especially when we look to those periods that we have seen more recently. Again, our recent high, as I said, would be a nice level to break above. Beyond that, we're looking to potentially push past this high at 385. Is that a little bit high? Yes, I think it possibly is. I would say just look for the lower level as far as now is concerned, but as always, that is only my opinion. So I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, smash a like and subscribe, and I'll be back to see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen, you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously, it is split into multiple sections. Basically, at the top, we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs, and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well. And we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down, you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.